We have finally reached the Galaxy S24 Ultra moment we have been waiting for. The new AI features of the Galaxy S24 Ultra are just incredible and easily outperform the Pixel 8 Pro. The new processor of the Galaxy S24 Ultra has some wonderful stats to hear. Test results for the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 on Geekbench 6 are really outstanding. With a single core score of 2,325 and a multi-core score of 4,750, it has significantly improved performance over the previous year. As the Galaxy S24 Ultra has the same processor, we can expect the same performance from it. In addition, Qualcomm states that when playing games, the device would perform better while using less battery life. We may expect longer battery life with the Galaxy S24 Ultra because to the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3's 30% quicker CPU performance and 20% more efficiency than the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2. Everyone was discussing AI features after the release of the Pixel 8 Pro, but Qualcomm unveiled a monster that same month. There are a number of AI features that are on the horizon. Firstly, the night vision video that was available on the Pixel 8 Pro is now available on the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, but there is a catch. Google is using a cloud service that requires an internet connection, but the Galaxy S24 Ultra can perform all of this processing on the device thanks to the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3. Although the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 is one step ahead, the Magic Eraser on the Pixel Pro has long been in demand. AI can now eliminate undesired items from videos and record from both the rear and selfie cameras. Although this function is a little outdated, it's still useful. If you want to enlarge a picture, you can use the new photo expansion tool, which will do the work for you. With the upcoming AI features on the Galaxy S24 Ultra, you can now enlarge your original picture. This is an ideal device for gamers as well, since it supports 240 frames per second gaming and has an excellent GPU. 40% better ray tracing, 25% higher performance, and 25% greater efficiency. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So with that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.